Claude bot, Moltbot, OpenClaw, personal agents. You know I had to jump on this. I built a team of 13 agents that run my business 24/7. They write code, review PRs, research leads, draft content, and send me morning briefings before I wake up. And here's what nobody tells you. I've never been more behind. And today, I'm going to show you the dirty secret of being an AI power user. It's not replacing my work. It's exposing that with AI, I am the bottleneck. Let me show you what I mean. So every morning at 6:30, I get a briefing. Deploys across 5 projects that I'm working on, calendar, emails, PRs ready to merge, action items from every meeting in the last week, automatically extracted. At 7 a.m., I get a voice note, AI-generated news briefing, tech headlines, funding rounds, product launches. Throughout the day, my agents are working. Knox, my architect, is resolving GitHub issues overnight. Iris is enriching leads from my CRM and updating warmth scores. Pulse is drafting social content. Rigor is reviewing every PR for security issues. This is my command center. Every task, every agent, every deliverable tracked. Sounds amazing, right? Like, I should be working 4-hour weeks. The truth is, I'm drowning. A study came out last week from UC Berkeley that perfectly captures what I and many others are experiencing. Researchers interviewed 40 workers across engineering, product, design, and operations for 8 months. And what they found, you'd have thought that maybe, because you could be more productive with AI, then you save time, you can work less. But in reality, you don't work less, you end up working more. That's a direct quote from someone in the study. And it's exactly my experience. Here's what's happening. Before AI agents, I'd get 2 to 3 emails that needed responses, 1 or 2 PRs to review a week, content, maybe I'd write a blog post when I had time. After AI agents, morning briefings flag 8 action items, 3 to 4 PRs ready to review every morning, code I didn't write, draft articles, research docs, social posts piling up, leads enriched and scored, waiting for my outreach, meeting notes synthesized into tasks I need to approve. The agents didn't replace my work. They multiplied the outputs that require my attention. So why do I keep doing it? Because the answer is not to stop using AI. It's to understand what's actually happening. If you made it to my page, you're familiar with OpenClaw, the open source personal agent you can find on GitHub. It lets me create persistent AI agents with memory, schedules, and coordination. The interface is simple. Voice or text, I talk to my agents like I'd talk to employees. This is Hex, my chief of staff, not a coder, an orchestrator. When I need something done, Hex delegates to the right agents, tracks progress, and reports back. The agents work on cron schedules. 6:25 morning briefing, 6:35 leads digest, 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. overnight code work on GitHub issues. Fridays, blog rituals, planning sessions, they file PRs, everything goes through a review. Because here's the key insight. AI can produce, but humans still need to direct and approve. The bottleneck isn't creation, it's curation. I'm still liable for everything that I put out. So here's how I'm thinking about it now. The UC Berkeley researchers recommend 3 things. Build in pauses. Don't let AI fill every gap in your day. Protect focus windows. Time without interruption, including from your AI. Prioritize human connection. The stuff AI can't do. For me, that means agents work overnight so I can review in the morning. I batch approvals instead of responding to every notification. Some days I turn off the briefings and just think. The goal isn't to work less, it's to work on the right things, the 20% that only I can do. The irony is, AI showed me where I'm exactly and actually needed. Every bottle it creates is a signal. That's where my judgment, relationships, and decisions matter most. If you're thinking about building AI agents for your business, go in with eyes wide open. You're not going to work less. You're going to see more clearly where you're needed. And that might feel like more work at first. But if you design your system right, you're not just more productive, you're more intentional about where your human attention goes. Look, I'm still figuring it out. Every day I'm adjusting the balance, but I'd rather have this problem, too much output to review, than the old problem of not having enough capacity to execute. If you want to see how I've set this up, I'll link the Claude bot repo and my mission control below. It's open source. You can build your own agent team. Just don't say, I didn't warn you about the bottleneck. Peace.